How to use Salesforce to automate your sales process. Hello, and welcome to another insightful episode. Today, we're going to explore a powerful aspect of Salesforce, how to use Salesforce to automate your sales process. With the right tools and strategies, you can streamline your sales operations and boost efficiency. Step 1. Automating your sales process is effective lead management. Salesforce allows you to capture, track, and nurture leads effortlessly. With automated lead assignment, you can ensure that every lead is promptly routed to the right team member, increasing your chances of conversion. Step 2. Automating your sales pipeline. Salesforce empowers you to visualize and automate your entire sales process. You can set up stages, automate follow-up emails, and trigger actions based on customer interactions. This keeps your sales team on track and ensures that no opportunity slips through the cracks. Step 3. Email automation and drip campaigns. Salesforce also excels in email automation. You can create drip email campaigns that nurture leads over time. These campaigns can automatically send relevant content and messages, moving leads down the funnel until they're ready to buy. Step 4. A crucial aspect is reporting and analytics. Salesforce provides in-depth insights into your sales performance. You can track which strategies are working, identify bottlenecks, and make data-driven decisions to continuously improve your sales process. In conclusion, using Salesforce to automate your sales process is about efficient lead management, a streamlined sales pipeline, email automation, and data-driven decision-making. Put these strategies into practice in your Salesforce system to supercharge your sales. Ready to automate your sales process with Salesforce? Connect with Synatech to unlock the full potential of Salesforce for your business. Contact us today and take your sales to the next level. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in our next video.